Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kapil Home Workouts. This is Friday morning and we are going to do a leg workout today. So this leg workout is a unilateral workout. That means we are using one leg at a time. So there will be three exercises in first block. All three exercises are unilateral exercises. So first exercise is Bulgarian squats, then we do step ups, and then we do forward lunges. So I am putting a 30-minute timer here. Uh, we will be doing 3 rounds of first block. So we will do 6 reps on each side in our unilateral movements. So first is, as you know, our Bulgarian squats. So I am doing on my right leg. Start. 6 reps. Now we do all the reps on left side. You may use lighter weight dumbbells, as I am using total 25 kg weight, and all this weight is on our one leg. Six reps. So this is first exercise. Now we do our second exercise. Second exercise is step ups. So we do complete all the reps on one side first. So I am doing all the reps on right side first. Six reps. Now we do all the reps on left side. Six reps. Now we move to third exercise of our block, that is forward lunges. Of course with dumbbells. Total 12 reps, 6 on each side. These are heavy movements, as we are doing unilateral movements, so the focus and the pressure, all the pressure is on one leg at a time. It requires more energy, so take proper rest in between your sets as well as in between your rounds, and keep breathing. Breathing is very important. There should be a certain amount of oxygen in our body when we push through this movement. So there should be no drift of energy. Now again, we do all the movement first on right side, then on left side. So Bulgarian squats. Today again I am wearing my running shoes. You should be wearing either proper lifting shoes or no shoes at all, because in such kind of workout you need more stability, and these shoes do not provide that kind of stability. So now we do all the reps on left side. Sorry. Six reps. Now we do step ups. First on right side, all the reps. Brace your core. Six reps. Six reps. Take deep breaths. So now we move to our last exercise of this round, that is forward lunges. So forward lunges. So 12 reps, alternatively 6 on each side. Take deep breaths. I am feeling this workout. If you want to quickly calm your heart rate, then don't move. Stay calm and deep breathe. Now we move to head round, and that is last round of this block. So again, in Bulgarian sports, you should be focused on your stability, because this is a tough movement and this requires more stability, so we can prevent injuries. Again, there is a power cut. So Bulgarian squats, I will be doing 6 reps on right side first. Six reps. Now I do all the rep on left side. So 6 reps on each side. Now we do our next exercise in this unilateral block, and that is our step ups. I am taking some rest in between the sets so that we can perform our next set properly with proper form and energy. Form is very important because form helps us to prevent injuries as well as to get maximum from particular exercise. So again I am doing all the reps on right side first. Six reps. Now left side. Six reps. When you hold these heavy dumbbells for extended time, your forearms also burn. So this is you are doing this is cherry on cake as we are doing a lower body, but in some way our upper body is also getting trained. Now we are left with only one exercise in this block, that is forward lunges, alternate forward lunges. So six reps on each side, 12 rep total. So we have completed our unilateral block. I will be taking some rest, 1 minute or 2 minutes. Next, next would be 50 squats with 25 kg dumbbell. Total weight, sorry. So we will be using these two dumbbells, heavyweight dumbbells. We will be doing 50 squats. So we will try to finish them within 4 to 5 minute time frame, or if possible in lesser time. But first I take some more rest so that I can perform those squats properly. So have some water if you want. I will be not dropping this dumbbell for 50 reps. This is a very big commitment. Let's see how far we can go. So squats, guys. Twenty-five reps. So I am dropping these dumbbells just to take a pause, but still we will be doing completing this workout of 50 squats within our time frame, less than 4 minutes. So it's almost 2 minutes now, 1 minute. Thirty reps. $35. 40 reps. Now we left with only 10 reps. Forty seconds. Forty-five reps. So 50 reps, guys. We did in nearly 3 minutes 50 seconds. It can be done in 3 minutes if we are fresh without dropping the dumbbell, or maybe in 3 minutes. So we have completed 2 blocks of our workout. We done 50 squats with 25 kg weight. We did 3 unilateral exercises for 3 rounds, and now we do a finisher. So our lower body is cooked, So we will be using our upper body to finish this workout. And the finisher will be 2 strict presses, then we do 2 push press, and then we do 2 thrusters. So there will be 6 movements, 6 reps in one round, and we are going to do a 2-minute arm rep. So stretch properly. We have enough time in our 30-minute time frame. So now we start our arm rep of 2 minutes. Twelve reps. Oh. So it will not be an arm rep, sorry guys. But still we do these exercises. We do 2 rounds per minute. So this is our second minute now. This is a very good finisher. I think for arm rep, for me this weight is heavy, so I should be using those dumbbells for arm rep, and for EMOM these dumbbells. So another round. One more round, we will do one more round. Then our workout will be finished. So stay put guys. It is tough, I know. I am feeling this workout in my legs and my shoulders. Brace your core properly. Two strict presses, push press, then we do 2 thrusters, 2 strict presses, 2, one more to go. my channel, like and share as well. Our timer also beeping. So thank you guys. Please like, share and comment. Thank you for being there. And sorry for this dim light.